Well, just got me a new play toy, y'all. I was going to get it from my grandson. I see it came in. I ran to get home to check it out. I'm going to keep this plastic. Cover it back up. This is a new wax stripper. Yeah. You know, I got a lot of electrical wire that you can script. Different sizes. Tension bar. I got to study a little more. Off and on switch. And it's 110. 120. I even can script big wire. We get a chance to probably put it to test here shortly. But tonight, it's Sunday night. I just got back from Memphis. I hollered at some old friends over there in Memphis. They doing okay. I'm glad y'all doing fine over there in Memphis. You know who you are. The ones that always communicate and talking to me. Y'all be careful over there. You know what I'm talking about. I'm just going to put this together. I just want to see what it look like. Like I say, this is a white scripper. You know, copper wire scripper. A little wire you can script. I'm gonna build a little stand for it. Got a place where I can put 4 bolts in here. That's it. Look at it. Look for it. I ordered off eBay. And I got my off and on switch right there. And this part here, which you might can't see, is for your different side wire. Feed down there. See there? That moves up and down. I don't know if you can see it. It moves up and down for the different side wire you want. And it comes with a little Allen wrench, little screw, little extra screw. And I guess I can take this off and I can thread that side wire in there. This is regular wire and that's smaller wire. So we got to put 4 different gauges of wire. And got my own manual. I sit there. I get a chance to read it later on. Just some little project I can do with it. You know, this is not a fast money making thing, but you take this little machine here and script you 55-gallon drum of wire, copper wire, and ain't burn it. Man, that's and at the end of the year, if you're living, man, you got you a pretty good chunk of change. That's why I bought this. Script that wire to keep me with a knife or burn it. Run it through here, come out here, done deal. I got to kind of see how it operates. Oh, I see. Yeah, I see it now. Got the blade in the middle. Yeah, there's a blade right there in the middle. Then it's kind of got a cone shape in there where the wire just go in there and cut it. 3 or 4 different sizes. Good deal. Good deal. Okay. I don't think this will be hard to operate. But it's a 110, so this is the blade setter. As high as it'll go. Let's see. Yeah, it go way up there. Then you push it back down to the next wire stripper. Yep. I think I'm gonna like it. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to put it up. I just wanted to show all my friends and my colleagues, you know, y'all went on order me one. And you know, the guy that turned me on to this, he probably watching. I went on order me one off eBay, man. And I appreciate the info. But, okay, gentlemen, till the next time, we talk to y'all later.